How to fix SoundCloud not available in your country. Guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that can we fix the problem like SoundCloud app not available in your country. So let's get started. On this process, first you'll have to open any platform to download and install the app SoundCloud. So for the Android, you'll have to open Google Play Store, and for the iOS, you'll have to just open the App Store. So I'm opening the Google Play Store. Alright, so now from here you'll have to go with the option search. So simply in the search field you will have to type for SoundCloud. Alright, so after you search the SoundCloud on the Play Store, you will go search interface. So from here you can easily find the app SoundCloud. Alright, so now from here you can easily install the SoundCloud. So if this app is not available in your country, you will not be able to download this app on your device. So there is no any official way to fix the problem like SoundCloud app not available in your country. So it usually blocked or some restriction from your country to that app. So this is the informative video. If you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. See you on next one.